everyone. The topic of my presentation is Website to Progressive Web App. So let's have a brief idea what are progressive web apps. As I mentioned earlier, progressive web apps are hybrid breed of website and native app. This new progressive model replaces the binary nature of native apps. It builds trust with their users and acquire new powers as they are needed. The three main features of progressive web app are connectivity independent. That means network independent. It should work in a bad network or in an offline mode. Another feature is installable. That means easy to use. We'll be able to install in the user's home screen. The last feature we have is being re-engageable, meaning that as native app, beside having icon at the home screen, one of the main functionality to re-engage with the user is having web push notification. So it should have this as well. In the previous report, we have covered the two main features, which were offline feature and installable. The last feature we have is enabling notification. So as you can see on the screen, we have this button which is enable notification. Once we click on that button, that means subscriber has agreed to our notification service. So as you can see, we have tested this on Android device and we got this notification once we clicked on that button that Akriti blog successfully subscribed. You have successfully subscribed to our notification. That means subscriber has agreed to get our notification, to receive our notification. To store the subscriber information, we have used Firebase. It is a mobile and web application development platform which provides a real-time database and backend as a service. So once the subscriber clicked on that button, enable notification, all the information of subscriber will be stored in this database. And when the app publisher wants to publish something to all the subscriber, it will notify to all the subscriber which has enabled this notification. So push notification will pop up on a mobile device as a message. So app publisher can send them at any point of time, even if user don't have to be using their devices or app to receive them. As you can see in the picture, the subscriber has received new post has been added by the app publisher. So if someone wants to add a new post, the publisher wants to publish to all the subscribed users, so it can use the web push notification service. Let's see the explanation of my RQs. The first RQ is how can we enhance the website minimalistically using re-engineering approach. We have used the evolutionary approach to enhance the website to progressive web app. The evolutionary approach idea is to replace the original system by the newly redesigned system. Evolutionary approach follows three methods. The first step is understanding the behavior of the existing system. Then analyzing and deciding what to modify and what to add in the software. Lastly, it will tell you how to modify the software into an enhanced functionality. After I analyzed the first step and studied about my existing software, I got that my site or website was not responsive and it was not progressively enhanced and it had poor performance. For deciding or analyzing what to add or how to modify in the software, I use Lighthouse tool, which is to audit my website and tell me what is missing in the website to make it into the progressive web app. So the result was I had no service worker, no manifest, and the configuration of images were wrong. To modify the website into progressive web app, I have enhanced the existing code so that it can provide features like web push notification, and also I have added few new functionality, for example adding service worker which enable offline features and manifest file which make it installable. RQ2 is, will migrating an existing website be equally reliable and persistent as an existing website or native app? To get the answer of RQ2, we have used Lighthouse tool to audit our website. This is a tool which is developed by Google, which validate your website on the basis of performance, progressive web app, accessibility, best practices, and SEO. As you can see, the results of progressive web app is 92%, which is quite good.